Welcome to Worldcraft Logistics episode number 27. My name is Jimmy Tran. I'm the CEO of Worldcraft Logistics. Today, I will introduce you to Worldcraft Logistics Vietnam, that's located in Nha Trang, the beautiful city of Nha Trang. This building consists of 4 floors and an elevator. So now I want to take you to all the floor and introduce you what we do. The first thing that we have that's in Vietnam that's different from other countries is that we have underground parking for our staff. Let me show you the parking. So here's our underground parking. Our underground parking hold about 50 to 60 motorbikes. So this is where our staff park their bike in the morning, night. But the most important thing is we want our staff to feel safe when they park their motorbike. So this is our G floor. Our G floor is considered our first floor or ground floor. Roughly hold about 20 employees, and right now it's considered international export, international import, and our dispatch. We also outsource our dispatch to other trucking company as well. All right, so we finished with the ground floor. Let's go to the first floor. So this is first floor. First floor hold roughly about 20 to 22 staff. We have warehouse receiving right here. We have human resource for the US and Vietnam. And then we also have accounting for Vietnam sitting right in the corner. We have IT sitting right there, from software IT to network IT security. We support both our own in-house, and we also support our own client. They need some client needs support. We support them there. And then right here, we have full accounting team, AP, AR. We do it in-house, and we also outsource to other companies that need accounting support as well. So right now, the reason why you don't see them here right now is because they're also working American time. So at this time, it's morning for Vietnam, so Vietnam, they're sleeping. But once America wake up, this room will be full, and then I'll show you some picture when the room is full. So this is our second floor. Our second floor consists of IT support. We support in-house for the morning shift. We try to cover 24-hour IT support, and we also outsource the support for other companies that need SEO and website support. We have it right here. And then we have 1 or 2 import staff that work directly with Asia. This is pretty much our staff work American time and also China time or Asia time, Vietnam time, to make sure that all the document is smooth, versus like some American company, they only work from like 8 to 5. So we want to provide full spectrum support, 24 hours kind of, right? And then this is our photographic team, where our team go out, take photos for individual or events. And then we also do photo editing here. And over here, we have our media department, where they do video editing, writing scripts. And then let's move into the media room. So welcome to our media department. This media department is something that I secretly been building for the last 1 year. I still believe that the media department still have room to grow, a lot of room for improvement. So we are not all there yet. We have green screen in the back. We have Photoshop black background. So if any company want to come here and take Photoshop of their staff, their employees, we give them full support. We also give full support for our employees. We have teleprompters to make sure that whoever we invite here to speak or do a video, that we do video editing for them. They don't have to remember. We just run the script, and then they just read it off the screen. And then lighting. Lighting is very important, so we also invest money into lighting. As you can see, we have full lighting to make sure that whoever that's doing the speaking have good lightings. And then also this room is separate from every other room. We separate it and we make sure it's soundproof. But this is our media department, and we are working on it, and it's still growing. So if you need any support in the media department, such as editing photos, taking photos, doing videos, or just want to shoot your video and you want us to edit your video for you, our team is fully capable of doing so. So this is Worldcraft Logistics Media Department, completely different from logistics, but I believe this department is something that every company needs to have for it to grow, because without media, without marketing, no company is able to grow. So we built this team to support ourselves, but now this team is big enough to support other companies as well. So this is our third floor or the fourth floor. This is where employees take nap during lunch or at night when they feel tired. We dedicate a whole floor to our staff. We want to take care of our staff, make sure that they're well rested every time they work here. And so let's go check out the top of the third floor. It's a beautiful view, and at night it's even more beautiful, so I'll show you that video later. So this is the rooftop of our company. During the day, when the weather is good, we would come up here, we could have a little snack or drink or relax up here. But at nighttime, you know, we plug in the lights. It's a very great place to hang out. Employees will come up here, they have their barbecue, they have their, you know, little get together. If someone's birthday is up here, you know, we gather up here and we have a little birthday party. So this is, I love the rooftop at night. Think of it like your private rooftop. So it's a beautiful view and the weather is really nice at night on our rooftop. So I hope you like this video of the introduction of Worldcraft Logistics Nha Trang. So this building or this team was originally built to give back office support to Worldcraft Logistics USA. But since this team has been growing, so many people has been asking me how do I grow my team or how did my company grow to such scale. Basically, we are outsourcing now. We are giving our client, whoever's interested, from dispatch all the way to website design, all the way to SEO, to network security. So if you need that in your company, you're welcome to visit me, to contact me. You know, we do, like I said again, we do website design, SEO, network security, picture editing, video editing, all the way to accounting and a lot of things. Pretty much whatever this office do for Worldcraft Logistics USA, we are duplicating it to our client. So if you have any questions, contact me, and thank you very much for watching.